We'll start in whatever comfortable seat you'd like. We're just going to do some warm up for our wrists, as we'll be putting a lot of pressure on our palms and our wrists. So start by just taking some wrist rotations, gentle fists, circling clockwise, counterclockwise. You can spread your fingers out, stretch your fingers, interlacing all of your fingers together. Turn your palms out towards the screen. Release the interlace as you lift and extend your arms up high towards the sky. Take some twists and rolls to bring your palms and your arms back down in front of you. Raise your arms to the ceiling once more to interlace your fingers above your head, pressing your palms up towards the sky. As you exhale, go ahead and twist your fists down toward your sides. Roll out your necks, any last little neck rolls before you place both palms onto the mat in tabletop. Shoulders over your wrist and your hips over your knees. Press into your palms to lift your head, neck, and chest up high towards the sky, and as you exhale, round your back. Tuck your head down, send your tailbone back towards your heels, child's pose. Press into your palms to lift yourself back up to tabletop. Inhale, head, neck, and chest lift, cat-cow. Exhale, round the back. Take any twists, turns, movements that feels good to your body as you inhale, lift the head up. Exhale, round your shoulder blades, dip your head down, tuck your tailbone down, suck your belly in. As you drop your belly towards the floor, you'll feel a dip in your low back. Just keep moving, flexing and extending through the spine, cat-cow. Seeing if you can move one vertebrae at a time. Press your hips back to your child's pose. Lifting yourself back up to your tabletop. Take another round of cat-cow. This time as you add on to your cat-cow, send your hips back to child's pose, so hips lift up to tabletop. Inhale, head, neck, and chest lift. Exhale, round your shoulders. Keep exhaling as you send your hips back to child's pose. Press into your palms to lift yourself back up. Stretch your right leg back behind you, keeping your toes tucked underneath. Pressing out through the right heel. And you can move forward and back, feeling the stretch in the sole of your foot and your right calf muscle, the back of the leg. Bring your right knee back to the mat, left side, left leg stretches long back behind you, keeping your toes tucked under, and shift your weight forward and back, stretching the sole of your foot and your left calf muscle, the back of the left leg. Left knee comes back to the mat, tuck all 10 toes underneath, and send your hips back to your heels. So all 10 toes stay tucked under, sitting in broken toe pose. Very intense toe stretch for the bottom of the foot. Walk your hands back out to tabletop, placing the tops of the feet back onto the mat. Give them a little tap to help stretch out. Take the counter pose. One more time, tucking all 10 toes underneath. Walk your hands back to your knees to sit. Your glutes back onto your heels, and then lift your knees up into space. Little balancing squat. Knees gently come back down to the mat, walking back out to tabletop. Give your tops of the feet a little tap, and then send your hips back to child's pose. Hang out here for as long as you'd like.